Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my mom's channel. So today I'm back with another new video, and today's video is going to be something special. Today we'll be making DIY lip balm. So in the first DIY, all you need is petroleum jelly, lip color, and a moisturizer cream. So first of all, I'm taking out some petroleum jelly in one container, in one bowl. Then I'm adding some moisturizing cream. I'm using moisturizer here to make the lip balm more creamy, and it will keep your lips more smooth and it will make more pretty. It will keep the lips soft. So, and keep it one thing in mind, that the moisturizer that you're using should be non-greasy. So over here I have used Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. This one is very light and very mild. And now I added some lip color, and then all you need to do is just boil it in double boiler method. So now I've took a pan, and I'll keep water to boil, and then I'll keep the container over up of that, and then it'll start melting. So you just keep the flame on low flame, and then mix it until it turns into liquid. So our lip balm is ready. Now I'll transfer it into a container. You can transfer it into any sort of container that is available in your home. I was only having some empty Borderlands container, and so I just transferred it over there. And next, after transferring, you need to keep it in refrigerator for 20 to 25 minutes, and then it's ready to use. So hope you have liked this, and if you have liked this video, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And if you want more such videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my mom's channel. So with this DIY, we come to the end of our video. For this, you need a borylene or petroleum jelly, and then you need lip color and aloe vera gel. So first of all, I'll melt the lipstick again in double boiler method, and then after melting, I'll add it into the borylene. So I'm using two colors just to make the shade a little bit different than the first one. So I'm boiling now. So guys, just because it's only lipstick, no other thing is added to it, so it will take little bit more time than the first one to get melt, but it got melt. Yeah, so now I'll transfer it into the borylene. I'll add it into the borylene, and then I'll mix it. So I'll just mix it physically with the help of an ice cream stick. If you want to mix it with the help of brush, you can do that. So guys, we all don't like the smell of borylene, and we always want to avoid that. And just to avoid that smell, I had used aloe vera gel to give a nice fragrance, and along with that, aloe vera gel also has many more benefits. It works as a moisturizer and many more, so it's good to use. So this is optional, you can skip it. So now after mixing, I'll keep this in refrigerator just for 10 minutes to let it set, and then it's ready to use. So guys, that's the result, and I'm greatly pleased with it. It gives a little bit color, a little bit moisturizing, and it softens your lips, and it it is awesome. Just it's awesome. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do share this video to your friends. And if you like our videos, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on every new videos. So bye, Allah Hafiz.